So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate the HTML tables from Excel instantly online. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for table convert com. Once you do that, just simply open this first website that appear right in front of you. Once you open that, it will ask you to drag and drop your Excel file. Once you upload your Excel file, here in the below you're gonna find that table has been converted to this online table editor. Once your file is converted, you need to scroll down until you're gonna find this option where from here you can copy the code for the same table for multiple instances. For example, if I select the HTML, the code for the HTML instance for the same table has been generated, and I can directly copy and paste it over my HTML code and use it as the way I want. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.